So, let's dive into how IT training in Australia is really evolving. Uh, we're talking about courses that span AI, ERP, cybersecurity,
Yeah,
and even
absolutely.
digital marketing.
Right. It's like they're covering the full spectrum, from hands-on AI workflow automation to deep dives into business intelligence with Power BI, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And what's cool is how these programs are custom fit for different groups: corporates, universities, and self paced professionals. It's um, really about meeting varied needs.
That's a smart move. Totally. And the AI and automation training especially intrigues me, using things like N8N as a central integration engine,
Yeah,
right?
it's like turning raw AI potential into practical, scalable systems. Exactly. They cover everything from designing AI-powered chatbots with OpenAI to automating business processes across 2,000 plus apps without heavy coding.
Right on. Now, let's talk cybersecurity. They're not just teaching theory, they get into deploying firewall appliances with PFSense and OPNSense, setting up secure remote access, and even integrating SIEM tools like Wazuh for real-time threat detection.
Definitely hands-on. Yeah, and that's crucial because cybersecurity training today really emphasizes practical skills. I mean, configuring IDS/IPS and ensuring endpoint security, it's very real world.
Absolutely, real-world application is king. And then there's the ERP and business systems angle. They really cover the full life cycle of ERP implementation, from requirements gathering all the way to customization in ERP next.
Yeah, it's like giving teams a full toolkit to automate, everything from HR onboarding to invoicing. Right. And what's interesting is the integration they promote. Connecting ERP systems with automation tools like N8N ensures smooth data flow across departments.
That connectivity is a game changer. I'm also impressed with their business intelligence offerings. Using Power BI, you get to build interactive dashboards, model data with DAX, and even integrate AI tools for predictive analytics.
Yeah, it's practical and really data driven. True, but I must raise a point here. While it all sounds promising, don't you think there might be a risk of overwhelming professionals if too many tools like Zapier, Make, and N8N are mixed together without a clear focus?
That's a fair challenge. Balancing depth with breadth is key. Exactly. Lastly, there's the virtualized infrastructure and DevOps training, with platforms like Proxmox VE, managing clusters, and setting up high availability. It's all about modernizing IT infrastructure
Yeah,
practically.
really practical, offering skills from container management to disaster recovery planning. So, overall, it really feels like these training programs at Syncbricks are built to empower every facet of IT, from strategic AI integration and secure IT management to business intelligence and digital marketing.
Absolutely, it's a comprehensive approach. And that really sets professionals up to thrive in an ever evolving digital landscape, don't you think?
Right? It's like equipping you with every tool you need to succeed in today's tech world.